Hi folks, welcome to the Dashcam Dasher once again for another exciting video. So today I have just completed the 90,000 kilometer service for my car. Yes, it is a 90,000 kilometers service. I have done 90,000 kilometers with my car in just 4 years. This is a 1.6 liter petrol variant of the Creta, and I never expected that I would do so much distance in my car. Initially, I thought of doing a complete ownership review with my car, but then again I thought it would be better if I do it after I cross the 1 lakh kilometer mark. So today I'll be sharing with you what are the parts I have replaced in the service and how was the car after the service. So initially, I was looking at my ownership manual to see what are the parts need to be replaced at the 90,000 kilometer mark. But in the ownership manual, it is given only up to the 80,000 kilometers. What are the parts need to be replaced and what are the parts need to be inspected. So I just gave it to the authorized service center for service. So I serviced my car at the authorized Hyundai service center, Susi Hyundai at Tirunelveli. So apart from the regular oil change and filter changes, I asked them to do an interior cleaning of my car since my car was very dirty, and they have done an excellent job, and now my car is very clean from the inside.
So I have replaced my tailgate lifter assembly. I was having some issues with it. Whenever I tried to open the tailgate, it used to stop in this position, and also I was having some issues while closing it. So they have replaced that, and here the old lifter assembly is there. This is the air conditioner air filter. Look how dirty it is. It has been replaced with a new one. And this is my car air filter. A lot of dust on it, and this also has been replaced. So I was having a scratch on my right side rear door, which I will show it to you in the next clip. This was the condition of my right side rear door. Actually, this happened some 2 months ago. What happened was, while I was trying to take the car outside my home, my front gate just slid due to the wind and scratched my rear door. My home's front gate was painted in black, and that paint was all over my car. So I tried to wash it off, but it didn't yield any good results. Fortunately, there was no dent or damage on the door, and there were only minor scratches. So one fine day, I tried to completely wash it off with a detergent, but that didn't yield the expected result. I was not able to completely wash off the paint, so I was using my car like this for almost 2 months. And this time, when I gave it to the service, I told them to see if they can do something. They neither repainted the door nor put any polish. But when I received my car back, all those black stains on my door were gone. There were 2 visible scratches on the outside of the door, for which nothing could be done. Yet, I am happy with the end result. This is how the door looked after the service.
So apart from this, I had some issues in engaging the reverse gear. My reverse gear wouldn't properly engage, and then I have to move my car forward, and then I have to engage it again. That issue I have told them, and now it has been rectified, and now my reverse gear is smooth. Also, I was having an issue with my driver's side window auto roll up. So whenever I try to roll up the window would go up to here, and then again it used to come back. That issue has also been rectified now. So overall, the car feels a lot smoother than it does before, and a few issues which I was having have been also rectified. So due to my work commitments, personally I was not able to take the car to the service center. So I requested for a spare driver to take my car, and they sent one promptly. So including the driver charges, totally I was charged rupees 8,600 for the parts replaced and the service charges. In the description, I have mentioned all the parts replaced along with the price. So I never thought my car would touch the 90,000 kilometer mark so early. So while taking the car, I thought I would not run so much and went for a petrol version. But still, in 4 years, I have done 90,000 kilometers, which I think is a pretty long distance for a petrol engine. So basically, I'm using my car only for commuting from my workplace to my home during the weekends. I haven't done a lot of tours or trips with my cars. So mostly, this weekend commuting, and yet I have done so much kilometers. So a lot of happy miles so far, and awaiting a lot more. So that's it for today, guys.